Okay, one final video for this part. Just a couple things to show you that might be a little bit tricky for you. And so we're going to work on adding our dimensions. And so I'll click on dimensions, and we'll do some easy ones, like from here to here should be 32. Looks great. Say OK. I could do here to here, and there's my 9.6. Okay. I can go from here to here, and that's 18. I'll have to set it down and fix that later. I could go from here to here, and uh-oh, that one is too big. So, oh no. Well, it's an easy fix. If I go back to my flange, and I go here, I'm going to start a 2D sketch, and I'll put it right here, and draw a circle, and that would be 40. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I could just finish my sketch and extrude that circle back. It should have been 9.6. And I'll do this circle too. And I want to cut, not fill. And I'll hit OK. And I'll save. And I'll go back. Huh? Didn't fix. Oh, it's there, but it's to the wrong point. So we're going to delete that one, and we'll bring in a new dimension. There it is. Looking good. Okay, I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to grab that and move this one up. And in the... Okay. I'm going to move this down a little bit. And I need a distance from here to here. And I'll grab that, move that up. I like that better than being sideways. Okay. And from here to here. Oh, no, that's not a measurement. No, it's from here to here. 6.3, that's good. Okay. And from here to here. I'll hit escape, move this up here like that. Alright, looking good. That one, and one more. And that's from here to here. And we'll do that right about there. And I didn't hit escape, so okay. There we go. Alright, so now I'm moving up to this region, and probably while you're watching the video, you're like, would you just do that part? Okay, so if I right click and I turn off dimension, and now I do that, it's hole and thread, pull that out, there's the dimension I want. It's a little bit different. Now you're going to go back and turn that back on. Alright, let's do another hard one. Let's do this one. So dimension. Alright. I'm going to put it down. And instead of, I'm going to put 8 by, and then that's going to be at 820. And then after it, I'm going to make the at sign. Okay, I just used my keyboard. At 86. There we go. And you can see while you're doing it, the readout. Perfect. Okay. We'll take this dimension and this dimension. And there. Redo that. Put that right there. Okay. And I think that's about it. I do need to right click and edit my dimension style. I thought I had this saved, but oh well. Fold right here. There we go. That's better. I think that's it. Alright, hopefully you're able to finish that up, turn it in. See you in the next video.